What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I'm returning with another banger, you guys. We are gonna be making a simple, easy, delicious Italian sausage pasta, perfect for dinner. The kiddos are definitely gonna love this one. We're not about to waste any time. Let's get right on into the recipe. Let's go. All right, guys, you definitely wanna begin with a pot of boiling hot water, and that's what we have here today. And you know you gotta go ahead and throw a little bit of salt in that water. So that's what we're about to do. Go ahead and give that a stir. And for today's recipe, we are gonna be using Bowtie pasta, but you can use any pasta you're choosing, whether it be penne, doesn't really matter, just choose whatever you like. So go ahead and just get all of that into the pot. Go ahead and give it a stir. And you wanna let this go until it's al dente. They usually have directions on the box. And once it's done, you wanna go ahead and drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, I have my pan here to about a medium-high heat. And we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan. And then here we have ourselves about 1 pound of some mild Italian sausage. You can also use some hot if you prefer a little bit of heat. So we're gonna go ahead and just toss this right on into our pan here. Take that little paper off. So you just want to start to break down this sausage right here. Now that our Italian sausage has started to brown up, we're going to toss in some onions. You could dice them up, but I like mine cut this way. I like them cut the long way, and same goes for these bell peppers right here. Again, you could dice them up, but I like them just like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just mix them around, let them do their thing for a little bit. And you wanna go ahead and toss in a bottle of your favorite pasta sauce. Go ahead and get that right in there as well. Mix it up a little bit, make sure everything is communicating with one another like so. And in my opinion, a lot of these pasta sauces that you get out of a jar like that, they're kind of bland, in my humble opinion. They need a little bit of oomph, if you know what I mean. So you know we got to season it up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything that we're putting in here. And of course, as always, it will be listed in the description box. Go ahead and just give that a mix. So now we are gonna toss in just a little bit of that pasta water, not too much, just a little bit. We want this to really start simmering. And we're gonna go ahead and just toss that pasta right on in. Obviously you wanna fold it in and let it absorb all this wonderful goodness that we have in this pan right here. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. We are looking so good. Wow. Of course, we have to add in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. And we're also gonna grate some Parmesan cheese into this as well. That's gonna add a ton of flavor. So, here we are. I always say, guys, you can never have too much Parmesan cheese. It is so good. And of course, you're gonna garnish with some of this on the top of your dish once you plate up as well. So yeah, I just wanna grate a really good amount into here, and we're gonna mix it up and get all these flavors talking. This is it right here, baby. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. And guys, just like that, you are just about done. It is time to plate up. looking good, smelling good as always, and I cannot wait to dig in. Guys, please excuse all the splatter marks on my shirt. When you're playing with pasta, that thing just gets everywhere. It's just all over me right now. But without further ado, let's dig right on in. Like I said, I garnished it with a little bit more parsley and some more Parmesan cheese, because like I said, can't go wrong with that parm. Let go. Wow, this is everything, guys. So delicious. Like I said, smacking with flavor. You gotta get in your kitchen right now and whip this up. This is too easy, guys. Come on now. This is too freaking easy. Like I said before, if you don't like your onions and your bell peppers as big as I like mine, you could just dice them up. That's the only thing I would say you could change about this, but otherwise it's delicious and amazing. You gotta get it done. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit me with a like so YouTube know that you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure you rock that notification bell so you do not miss out when I upload another one of these amazing recipes. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces, comment down below, let me know what you think. I'm out.